Introducing the Lofi Aesthetic Notion dashboard, where productivity meets artistic charm. Let's take a closer look at its remarkable features. With dynamic widgets, your workspace comes alive with vibrant visuals and interactive elements, creating a captivating and engaging environment. Stay organized and in control of your week with the weekly schedule feature. Plan your tasks, appointments, and events effortlessly, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. The studying tracker keeps your academic progress in check. Keep tabs on your study sessions, monitor your achievements, and stay motivated on your educational journey. Maintain a clean and tidy living space with the cleaning schedule. Seamlessly manage your household chores, ensuring a harmonious and clutter-free environment. Plan ahead and gain a clear overview of your month with the monthly schedule. Visualize important events, deadlines, and milestones, ensuring you stay ahead of your commitments. Dive into the world of literature with the reading directory. Curate your reading list, discover new books, and keep track of your literary adventures with ease. Establish healthy habits and boost your productivity with the routine tracker. Stay on top of your daily routines, track your progress, and unlock your full potential. Elevate your productivity and immerse yourself in the soothing vibes of the Lofi Aesthetic Notion dashboard. Experience a workspace that seamlessly blends functionality with artistic charm, creating an environment that inspires focus and creativity. Unleash your potential with the Lofi Aesthetic Notion dashboard. Get your copy now, link in description.